In this video, we are going to learn about the value of firm calculation by using net income approach. There is few information which are given in the problem. By using that information, we need to calculate the value of firm using net income approach. The information which are given in the problem is the company annual operating income EBIT is 50,000 and the company debenture 2 lakhs at 10 percentage and the company capital equity capitalization rate 12.5. By using that, we need to calculate the value of firm by using net income approach. This is the procedures for calculating value of the firm. We have three information. First information we directly write down here, net operating income EBIT. It is a profit which have earned by the company during a year. In that year, the company has to pay 10% as interest to the debenture. For that, we have working notes how to calculate the interest. From the 2 lakhs, we have to multiply 10%. By this, we able to find out the interest rate is interest for the current year is 20,000. By subtracting the interest, we will get EBT. In this problem, we don't have any tax, so the EBT is also called as EAT, that is earning after tax, and earning before tax is same in this problem, and it is also called as net income. The net income of the company is 30,000. Next, we have to calculate the equity capitalization rate. For that, we go with the working notes. For equity capitalization rate, it has mentioned 12.5 percentage. We have to convert it into the amount, means 12.5 percentage divided by 100, we will get 0.125. that has been written here, and we have to by this equity capitalization rate we able to find out the market value of equity. For that, we again go with the working notes. In the working notes, we have seen that market value of equity has been calculated by net income divided by cost of equity capitalization rate. So 30,000 divided by 0.125, we will get 2,40,000. It has been write down here 2,40,000 market value of equity, and again market value of debt which have already given the problem 2 lakhs. By adding the market value of equity and market value of debt, we able to get the market value of firm. We got the result of market value of firm, and about the market the total capitalization rate. For calculating total capitalization rate, we have to go with another formula. That formula is EBIT divided by value of the firm. EBIT is here which I have find out which I have given in the problem, and 4,40,000 which I have find out by various steps. This is equity capitalization. This is EBIT and this is value of the firm. Value of the firm is calculated by equity and debt total. By this, we able to get 0.1136, and multiplying with 100, we got 11.36 percentage. And the answer has been write down separately, because it's to find out the value of the firm, we need to know the value of the firm. The value of the firm is 4,40,000, and what we have spent for value of the firm is 11.36 percentage, and the debenture or debt which already given the problem 2 lakhs and 10 percentage. For equity, the 12.5 percentage which have given the sum, we have find out 2,40,000 as the value of equity. If you have any doubts, give your comments on the comment section.